Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send blank or empty messages on WhatsApp. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to do it. So first of all, open any browser and then type here emptycharacter.com and scroll down, and now tap on copy to clipboard. And now open your WhatsApp app and open any individual group or chat where you want to send blank or empty message, and long press on your typing box and tap on paste and tap on send. And here you can see I successfully sent it a blank message. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.